Dwayne McAlexander. I've been in the engineering for controls and automation for 28 years now. I've worked with a multitude of companies, including Clorox, Kraft Foods, as well as Rockwell Automation. Really with mechatronics, we're seeing, automation is really driving the workforce. What that means is we need people that are stronger in automation, troubleshooting, development, integration. A lot of the employers are seeing where robots don't call in sick for work. So there's a lot of money being spent in that avenue. We're seeing a very wide range for income. None of it is low. On the very low end, you're going to be at the $40,000 annual range, all the way up to in the $80,000 to $100,000 range. And that's just in this area. Certain areas will be higher, and even entry level, we are seeing people that are coming out of trade schools are very desirable. So they will have no problem going in at a decent wage, right? At that $40,000 to $50,000 range, and then quickly advancing up to those higher wages. Somebody makes a decision that they want to go into a mechatronics type course, you have to really be willing to take the commitment that that is what you're going to dedicate all of your time to. You're going to learn everything from mechanical all the way through electrical, automation, robotics, and at the end be able to put all that together. It's coming at you at a very high rate. You can't really miss any classes. You have to make the commitment that at all costs you need to be here. Once you're done, the guarantee is that you will have the knowledge to be proficient in all these areas. One of the funner classes, of course, is a robotics. We take people that, in some instances, have never seen a robot, and we get them to hands-on manipulate those robots manually, and then we get them to the point that they can actually write programs in the robot and have them execute and perform tasks where they're building objects. What we do is we try to keep it relative to what they're used to seeing in their everyday work lives. If it's a bottling manufacturer that they work for, we're doing a bottling lab one night so that they can get some real world experience. And then we like to, towards the end of the class, have them go back to their workplaces and try to roll out some of the stuff we've taught them. How did it work for you? Do we need to tailor the class differently going forward so that we can make sure that students truly are getting the training they're going to need? Right now, mechatronics in this area is probably the most sought after position. Everyone that is in the area is competing against each other. It's only going to be more desirable. Right now, we call it a bidding war. That's what manufacturers are doing, trying to get people. It just so happens that Laurel Ridge is right in the middle of that.